Here we come to the elevators at 2277 Plaza Drive in Sugar Land, Texas. As you can see, looks like that elevator car right here is the service elevator, service or freight elevator, because they're moving a lot of stuff here. But anyways, these are Schindler 500A elevators, and this will be an updated take on this one as well. Both elevator cars arrived. Still remember these elevators from my early videos. These got the California Code compliant Adams fixtures. Here we're at 6. I'm probably not going to get that one because it may not work. Almost similar to the one at 2150 Town Square Place. I have not filmed these elevators here since 2014. I'll go for one more ride. Oh, it just canceled my call. There we go. Fixtures. Oh, there goes the chime. Back down one in there. These are exactly like how I remembered it. And I actually filmed these elevators, all of the elevators here, 10 years ago. All right, we're gonna watch it close now. All right, there it goes. And that's it.